Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play The Sims 4 properly. First, you will create your unique Sims, choosing their appearance, traits, and aspirations. Next, design their dream home, from a cozy starter house to a grand mansion. Then, guide them through their daily lives, managing their needs and helping them achieve their goals. This foundational step sets the stage for all your future gameplay. Properly managing your Sims' needs is crucial for their well-being and success. There are 6 core needs to monitor: hunger, bladder, energy, fun, social, and hygiene. Keep these needs high to ensure your Sims are happy and productive. Additionally, pay attention to their emotions, as these can significantly affect their skill gains and interactions. Positive emotions boost performance, while negative ones can hinder progress. Now, let's walk through the installation process. Open your phone's settings application. Scroll down and tap on System and Updates. From there, select Software Update. Your device will then check for available updates. If Oxygen OS 15 is ready for your OnePlus 12R, you will see a notification. Tap to download and install the update. Remember, it might be around 4 GB or more. Once you have mastered the basics, there are many ways to expand your Sims 4 experience. Consider exploring various expansion packs, which introduce new worlds, gameplay mechanics, and items. You can also engage with the vibrant community, trying out custom content or participating in challenges. Don't forget to experiment with different playstyles, from detailed storytelling to intricate building, and even discover fun cheats for creative control.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.